You guys, I've been hearing something really weird back here in the cornfield. And I know it's not, I know what it's not. It is not a fox, because I hear them all the time. It's not a deer. It's not a bobcat. And it's not a coyote. We get packs of coyotes around here. I hear them every night. There's something weird. I usually have trail cam right here. But I don't right now. Bring you guys with me. This is creepy as heck. I mean, what am I gonna do if I find something? This corn is a mess. Look at it. It's all tore up. Rows of it. That's 6 rows of corn. There's a trail right there, look. I'm not being very quiet, I know. Okay. Look at all this corn that's down. I'm just walking the road. All that. Wow. There's corn all down. A lot of it. Rows. It's flattened. It's amazing to me. It heard something. I don't know if I want to go any further. Keep hearing something weird right in here. You guys, I'm kind of freaking out. I swear I thought something was just running toward me back that way. I am going to get out of here. Thanks for watching, guys, but I'm seriously going to get the hell out of here. Have a good night.